Welcome to Banyan Data Systems online tutorials. Today's video will cover meter replacement in the utility billing software. In order to successfully complete a meter replacement or meter swap out, the most important thing you need is the old meter final reading. This will ensure that the system will charge for usage on the old meter as well as any usage from the new meter. First, we need to pull up the account that needs a meter replaced and select the Meter tab. Next, click on the metered service, and then click Replacement. Here, we want to enter the old meter final read, and then press Enter. You will get a message popping up on your screen indicating that the meter is now replaced. Don't forget to change your serial number and meter ID. Click OK on this message. Next, you can finish entering the replacement information, such as the meter final read date. You also have a field to enter the new meter initial reading. If the meter is brand new, you do not need to enter a 0 into this field. You can just enter the new meter's read into the new reading field above. Now you see that the usage field is taking both the old meter's usage and the new meter's usage and adding them together for a total amount of gallons used. You may also notice that your current read has changed. This is done on purpose by the system and is done to ensure both meters' usage is billed out. As always, if you have further questions on this process, you can give our support staff a call and we can walk you through it. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.